Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to be discussing a custom indicator known as the Noble Impulse indicator. All right. So this indicator is designed for traders who demand flexibility. All right. It's a versatile indicator that simplifies trading decisions by analyzing multiple time frames, helping you to identify trade directions, entry and exit points, and also to manage trades with unmatched precision. So I'm just going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. The Noble Impulse indicator. It is a custom indicator, meaning that you will have to download this indicator from an external source. You have to download the indicator from an external source, from a reputable source online, and after doing that, then you will need to add the indicator to your indicators library for your MetaTrader platform. After that, you then have to relaunch your MetaTrader terminal before you can then add the indicator to your chart. Right? So this indicator offers customizable settings. Okay, and as you can see on the chart, the indicator gives precise entry and exit signals. Right? The indicator gives you entry signal, gives you stop loss level, and gives you multiple take profit levels. All right. And at the same time, the indicator gives you signals for different time frames. As we can see, the 1 minute time frame is a buy, right? The 5 minutes is a sell, right? The 15 minutes is a sell. So you can see all the signals from the 1 minute to the weekly time frame, all given by the indicator. In addition to that, the indicator identifies support and resistance zones, right, and gives precise entry points. Okay, so it's quite an interesting indicator that can be beneficial for complete beginners. So even if you do not have any prior experience in technical analysis, this indicator aims to make analysis easier for you, helping you to just identify the trend and get into the market at precise points. Now, in as much as this indicator does the big job for you and just tells you when to buy and when to sell, when to set, where to set your stop loss and where to set your take profit, it's still important for you to confirm signals. All right, it's important for you to confirm signals. Hence, I will recommend that you make use of support and resistance zones and make use of trend lines. All right, in as much as this indicator also identifies some supply and demand zones for you, it is not every single point that the indicator identifies, as you can see. So identify every support and resistance zones that you can find. In addition to that, make use of trend lines. All right, because trend lines can be very beneficial. As we can see at this point where the indicator gave a sell signal, this trend line confirmed the sell because we had a breakout. Okay, so it's important to have confirmations. We had a breakout from the trend line, and that would have been a great place to enter a sell. All right, and then even after the indicator identified this demand zone, can we see that the price dropped below it, but this support level served as a confirmation for a buy. All right, you can see that this support level gave us an idea of where to exit our sell, although it coincided with this take profit level, the first take profit level by the indicator. Okay, so this was a confirmation. All right, so there was a confirmation for this take profit level given to us by the Noble impulse indicator. Okay, so whichever time frame that you want to trade, whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader, this indicator gives you precise signals for all the time frames. All right. Now, in addition to making use of trend lines and support and resistance zones, make use of chart patterns as well. Make use of candlestick patterns. All right. Watch out for possible bearish and bullish reversal patterns. Okay. For example, here we can see that we had a bearish reversal pattern. You can see this gravestone doji. This gravestone doji that appeared here was a sign that a bearish move was imminent. All right, and we can see that shortly after that we had a bearish move. So please pay close attention to all these patterns, because in as much as this indicator can be effective, it does not guarantee profits. No indicator is foolproof. All right, so this indicator in itself can give false signals sometimes. Okay, so exercise caution and observe good risk management. Make sure that even when the indicator gives you signals, make sure that you confirm the signals. You can also decide to add other indicators such as the moving average, and perhaps you can also decide to add a momentum indicator, for example, stochastic oscillator or any other indicator of your choice, just for additional confirmation. For example, at this point where we had a sell signal, because the noble impulse indicator also gives arrows, right? It also identifies, the direction of the trend by displaying arrows. All right. So we can see that when we had a sell signal somewhere around here, you can see that price dropped below the moving average. That was a confirmation. Price also dropped below the trend line. That was an additional confirmation. And we can see that around that point, the stochastic oscillator was trending downwards after the bearish crossover had happened. So this was an extra confirmation. All right. Now, make sure that when you are trading, you have done your calculation for lot sizes appropriately. Do not use more than 2% of your account to enter one trade. Okay, for the purpose of risk management, you should be risking a maximum of 2% of your account in one trade. All right, if possible, risk less than that. Okay, then you have a good risk to reward ratio, minimum of 1 to 2. So if you are risking $1, for example, your target should be at least $2. Okay, so that even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you're still going to be on the winning side. Yeah, so that's an advantage of that. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And if you have not hit the notification bell, do that so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.